Looking for the best smartwatch in 2024? The answer isn't as simple as you might think. With a market flooded with options, it can be challenging to find the one that best suits your needs. Today, we'll delve into the features, advantages, and drawbacks of the top 5 smartwatches on the market. Firstly, let's consider the Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen. This device comes with a 40mm GPS, a Starlight aluminum case, and a Starlight Sport Loop. It serves as a fitness and sleep tracker, has crash detection, a heart rate monitor, and is carbon neutral. On the plus side, it's a reliable and user-friendly device with a sleek design. However, bear in mind that it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, and its battery life could be improved. Next on our list is the Apple Watch Series 9. This watch has a 45mm GPS, a midnight aluminum case, and a midnight sport band. It boasts a fitness tracker, ECG apps, an always-on Retina display, and is water-resistant. It has a larger display than its predecessor and improved fitness tracking. Nevertheless, it's still quite costly, and the battery life continues to be a common complaint among users. Coming up next is the smartwatch for women with Alexa built-in. This watch stands out with its 1.95-inch display, the ability to answer and make calls, an IP68 waterproof rating, a heart rate and sleep tracker, and 100 sport modes. The Alexa integration is a major advantage, as is its wide range of fitness tracking options. However, its interface isn't as intuitive as some of its competitors, and it doesn't offer the same level of app support. The fourth watch we're discussing is the 2024 newest 1.85-inch fitness tracker. It allows users to answer and make calls, and includes a heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, pedometer, and calories tracker. It also offers multiple sports modes. The large display and fitness tracking capabilities are definite pros. However, it lacks the brand recognition of some of its competitors, and its design might not appeal to everyone. Lastly, we have the Fitbit Versa 4. This watch offers daily readiness, GPS, 24/7 heart rate tracking, over 40 exercise modes, sleep tracking, and more. The Fitbit Versa 4 shines in terms of a battery life and exercise tracking. However, it doesn't offer as many smart features as some of its competitors, and the design can be too simplistic for some. In conclusion, each of these smartwatches brings something unique to the table. It all boils down to your preferences, needs, and budget. Whether you prioritize fitness tracking, smart features, or a balance of both, there is a smartwatch out there for you.